have my giveaway winner here. He's gonna get the opportunity to go on a ride along with Adam LZ. Yeah, I'm excited for you.
I'm excited.
He's super excited. So if you want to win giveaways like this, speedhub.ca right here. And that's our giveaway winner. Stop for a second. Adam! Nice driving, man! So I think I need to finally like fix my hazy lights. Look at these. These are absolutely disgusting. But we got the McGuire's kit. We got microfiber, some masking tape, a little brush, and the McGuire's headlight restoration kit. I don't know if it actually works. I just saw it on the shelf. So we're gonna give it a shot. Hopefully it gets rid of the haze. It's really bad on this side. But yeah, let's do that right now. So I actually sprayed this side for TikTok already, so I'm gonna show you guys this side. But didn't come out terrible. It came out pretty good. Like my thing is still kind of, these are barely like, these have like no grit. Like these are very soft pads anyway.
1 week later.
So intermission, I just cleaned the absolute fuck out of my car. So I want to show you guys because I'm probably gonna get it dirty in like the next 8 hours, just knowing my luck. But I'm here in the middle of nowhere once again, and I'm filming a bunch of short form content to J-Spec Super Meet now, and I have some really good content there for you guys, some beautiful JDM cars, so we're gonna check those out. I'm getting a chance to go inside of a beautiful S2K right here. Yeah, but this thing is yeah, it's definitely fucking insane, and I'm gonna go for a ride. So, and if you guys want to see the full cinematic video, it'll be up on SpeedHub right now.
Straight?
It looks, yeah.
Centered?
Yeah, that's good.
Bismillah. Done.
Bismillah.
Halas. Finished. Hatam.
Game certified.
It's curved. It's curved. It's big end game.
All the emotion. All the emotion.
Big. Okay, so I just had a nice opportunity, and I'm sure you guys have seen the car before, but you haven't seen him.
TJ. Instagram is CRAZYYY.
Yes, he's letting me abuse his car pretty much. Put it on this beautiful patch of grass. Video will be on SpeedHub. I'm sure you guys will see it. And the day was pretty good.
Bless.
We went into a S2K and we got to shoot this thing.
God bless.
Let's go, man. So it's currently like 9:10 Saturday. I'm in Toronto right now. I just randomly had the bright idea to go to Tuner Evo tomorrow, and it's in Chicago. So yeah, I'm driving to Chicago. It's 9 hours. I'm gonna leave right now. They gave me media, so it's not a complete waste. Very spontaneous decision 3 hours ago to go to Tuner Evo, which is an 8-hour drive away. So this is where we're looking right now at the chance. So we're gonna take the Subi. Hopefully she makes it. No tune yet, but I mean, I have pretty good luck with cars, so let's see how this goes. E85, which is strange, but you know, maybe one day I'll take it. Currently, I don't think this is doing anything, but I'm fanning it because I don't know what fucking time. I think it's like 5 o'clock or something, but I just came here. I'm actually gonna sleep in my car. I'll sleep for a little bit at least. We're gonna go in there right now, and I'm gonna show you guys some of this shit. And whatever you miss out, remember, right here on Speed Up, so go check it out. Let's go.
Okay, switching up the lanes, I'm a beast, stay fly like I'm 3-6 feet with a piece. Fuck it, go dance, can't die, fuck it when you come around me, bitch, you better bring a fleece. They be indebted to me, but they say it, they made me, so how does that make any sense? I put myself from nothing, but everybody was watching on top of the fence.
So I look like I'm dead right now, but I promise I'm alive. Look at this Subaru, look at this Subaru. I don't know if I have competition or what, but I think I'm definitely losing. Because I think Buddy over here definitely gave me a run for his money with this thing. This Varus is absolutely insane. You need the canards. You know you guys don't want the canards so bad. That's holy fucking shit. I need that wheel. That wheel is so sick. I'm gonna go try one of these Chicago pies. I never had a Chicago pizza, so let's go try that. I'm gonna do some dumb shit. Can you tell us to like, comment, and subscribe?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
You heard it here first, bros. Have a good one. Thank you guys. Cheers.
Look at the mom.
Bro's digging his nose. On the way back, really fucking tired. But now, for some reason, I'm at Raising Cane's. So we're gonna try it together, me and you. So it's Raising Cane's time. I'm eating it on the wing. I know it's not a Supra, but listen, I want to eat on my carbon fiber wing too. Oh. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm pretty fucking tired right now. And I have like a fucking 9-hour drive. Alright, anyways. Okay, so I owe you guys an explanation. Okay, so last night, I couldn't record anymore because I was trying to get back to Toronto. But Tuner Evo was actually a lot of fun. And you know what? I'm really happy I went. Like this morning at 9 a.m. Now it's like 6 a.m. Or 6 p.m., sorry. And I'm at a Marriott hotel because Hyundai Canada actually reached out to me. They noticed me, somebody noticed me, and they invited me to try out their new Hyundai Elantra, and super excited. Looks like a really cool car, and it's a TRC edition, so it's like more of a track racing edition. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna see if it does anything. But in this room, really happy. So the last 42 hours have just been fucking insane.
Like, comment, and subscribe.